The 2011 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, CD player, MP3 player, fog lamps, bucket seats. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.